Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan. Thursday, 3rd of August, new month is started here, August. I have few plans for Bitcoin starting from H4. Okay, the old range, this one is lost already, we have lost it. So we are trading just below this trend right now. Intraday two scalps I am looking for this one, this range low, this was range high, so it lost it, trying to reclaim it, but for now it didn't. Until unless this range is not reclaimed, we will trade in this between new range. Once this range reclaimed here, then we will target mid of this range and range high again. We will trade in between 29 to 500 to 31,000 or maybe 30,000. We will trade again in that region, like of 1,000 to $1,500 range. But right now we are stuck in this smaller range, lower time frame range. There are range in a range within a range. So two range, first range, this one we created low and range high, this one range low, and I marked this as a mid range here. This mid range marked here, range low swept, all liquidity swept, structure broken here on lower time frame. Then we get to this impulsive move, tag this order block because structure is bearish. Below that higher time frame range, we are bearish. So we tag this order block and we finally get back into the range. Retested here, should have retested again here. Proper retest didn't happen and it came down. So this is range high and this is range low of that range. Now go back to 15-minute range. On 15-minute, our structure is bearish. Let me show you. We are creating lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this zone is totally lower high zone. It is bearish order block sitting here. This one, and we have two range highs here. Range low is there. Now with range high, we are matching with this mid range of this range. So we have another confluence of this one. Okay, internally on lower time frame structure is bearish. This one CHOCH, this one will act as order block. We might get a bit of uh, rejection here in this zone, but this liquidity is generating here. So I am expecting a quick move to take out this high acceptance below this mid range. If we closes above here, that will be our bullish scenario. Then we will we will target our mid range high. Why I'm saying this? Because if you structure wise, if you see, we have structure break here. So this zone is whole our H4 demand zone. So that good one tap here got reaction, again tapped, again it is getting good reaction here. So that's why I'm saying this. If we broke out and reclaimed mid-range, then we will target this zone. And if these highs broken out, if price goes up and reclaimed 29,500 properly this time, then we will target upper zones. Until unless we will trade, we will find our triggers. So better trigger personally. If someone ask me for trade, personally my trade will be to get rejection here. Don't sweep range high. Do not get reaction here. Get out here. Come down. Take out this slow liquidity buildup. Take out range low. Wick into this range low. So that will be our 3-tap confirmation. Range low will be again swept, structure is bullish here, so we can then easily find our some kind of structure shift here, or straight. If once this low, this range low and this higher time frame range swept and price closes above H1, H4 closes above, that will be a market trigger long. Stop will be below that wick which will be created, and target 1 mid-range, target 2 will be range high. That will be a good for me. Like if I check out RR wise, that will be a good RR trade for me. So I will assume wick somewhere here, target 1 this one, and target 2 this one. So 6 hour, maybe a bit of, I will extend somewhere here. So 3.5 hour trade, that will be a good trade. Unless proven wrong, sorry. If some kind of deviation occur here, I will wait for here. If price came here, deviated back, I will wait in this zone. I will not trigger market here because I'm not sure. Like I'm sure here, not with this zone. Yes, if mm, price reclaim here, I will go market long here. Stops will be clear. If stopped out, no worries. But here I will risk in one condition. If price sweep out this high and give me CHOCH character change, then I will trigger here to target these lows and this liquidity. Otherwise, if price came here and straight dumped from here, I will not take this one. But yes, I will do prefer to take this one. There are too many confluences. Matching H4 demand structure is bullish, 3-tap. So yeah, too many things are lining up. This keep this level with yourself. We might tap out this one. We might, but who knows? We might not. We front ran. So yeah, yesterday too many liquidation were placed here. They all swept. So hopefully we can go then. If price reclaimed our this range, then this liquidity, all this liquidity, this one, this liquidity zone will be taken out. This FPG also here. So yes, then there are too many confluences for price to go up. But till then, we will play level to level. If short provided with proper structure break in this zone, yes, we will take. I will provide it in Discord as well. And target will be clean, range low, and this higher time frame range low. Otherwise, if it came here and like it dumped from here, it didn't give any retest in this zone or in this breaker. So yes, neither it reclaimed on retest, but this should be a retest here. It should have gone there. Like if it behaves like this again, I will not trigger any short. Yes, if it did with range low, take this clear H4. If H4, H3 closes above this range low, I will trigger market entry. Stop loss will be below that wick whichever created, and I simply target this mid range of higher time frame, and range high, or simply target range high. So keep it simple and keep your chart also simple. Don't add too many shits on your charts, so that also create difficulties. Okay, another trigger I have right now, CompUSDT, eyes on CompUSDT. Where is Binance chart? Here it is. Good chart. Yes, actually we are trading in a range high, range low, swept here, internal structure broke here and retested, coming down to order block. Why I'm considering this order block? Because we are rallying upside. This is BOS region here. So new high created. It bull should be defend this. Should have defend this order block. So placed as some bids at 57.41. Because of few other confluences. If this one is our order block, main order block, previous week low. So might be if price of Bitcoin dumped, it will also wick out here, and if price again settle down there, so I will hold. Otherwise, that will be a quick few percent, like 4, 5, 6% profit I will take and I will run away. Simple is that. So until unless this is one another confluence here, this previous week low, and this should be, I think it is taken out already. No, yet not taken out. Funding is crazy negative on comp right now. So that is also a good confluence. Shorters are horny right now. So get here, retest Monday low at least 1.5 hour. Stop is wide. Daily imbalance is also here. If I show you daily imbalance, no, there is no imbalance, daily imbalance. So this week is my entry, this one. So that is also one trade I had. MKR, uh, MKR trade setup I had discussed with. MKR take out Monday, sorry, previous week high taken out, reclaimed in Monday low, Monday high range, and then it is doing fokre. Retesting. So might get out because these lows are getting protected. I don't know why these are protecting here, but these lows getting protection here. If once this zone broke down here, this one, this zone broke down here because it is trading in a range. If you see, this one zone is upside, second one is a lower side, closing below retest, and then we will short it towards Monday low or this zone will be your target. So hopefully you guys love it. Okay, one last one is Ethereum. What I'm looking at Ethereum, I'm not touching Ethereum right now. Structure wise, this is bullish. Yes, structure wise bullish. But concerning thing is these this liquidity build up. So we might get quick, what we say, something like to sweep down this liquidity and then again reversed from here, from this zone. Let me mark. So then this liquidity, these lows. So these are not looking good, bro. So once we finish this, and then I will check out like H1 at least to structure shift. Then we'll target this zone again because this trend line is also building up nicely. Once this it broke out here, we will then rally hard because this is an SR zone as well here. There is SR, this one. This is a proper SR zone here. If I marked candle here. So this is a SR zone as well. So keep this chart with you on Ethereum. So if it broke out here, retest that zone will be a good retest zone. We should target. Then this high might be to fill some kind of gap there from like 1890, reclaim of 1890 till 1946. This will be a good zone here, but from here, if someone looking for long, I will suggest to wait at least to get out these lows. These are not looking good. Might be a trap here, somewhere here, and then like Bitcoin chart is a bit clear than Ethereum. Ethereum chart is not that much clear yet because Bitcoin gives proper BOS structure break, but Ethereum yet not given that. So if someone is trading Ethereum, keep those level in mind, and yes, then you are going good to go. Like if I mark this level, these are simply equal lows are forming here. So one, maybe a one proper $36 dump, 1870, sorry, 1800, 1790. If price goes there, especially in this 1785 daily FEG level, so that will be a quick buy zone, a quick like 1790, sorry, 1780 to 1820, 1830, $30, $40 uh, range. Then we will see a good zone here. So till then, we will wait for our Bitcoin triggers to happen. I'm not trading Monday range because it is like of how much dollar it is. 29.1 to 29.5, like $400 range, and it is not respecting as well. So not wasting my time on Monday range right now, creating my own range, my own analysis, watching this. So I had one trigger plan two here. So we will see what happened next. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe it if you didn't, and like, share, whatever you want to do it. Do it. Just do it. Don't go like. Okay, thank you guys. Allah Hafiz.